Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever built a Power BI report and found yourself wrestling with slicers or filters that seem to stubbornly affect every single page, especially when you want one clean, unfiltered summary page, then this tutorial is definitely for you. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to keep one page crystal clear from all those filters and slicers, while still letting them work elsewhere. It's a really handy trick for better control and flexibility in your reports, so let's jump right in and solve it together. So here's the situation. Maybe you've got a Power BI report with, say, 3 different pages. You've spent some time adding slicers, which are those handy controls that let users filter data like product categories, regions, or dates. And maybe you've configured these slicers to sync across all your report pages, or perhaps you've added report-level filters that apply everywhere. This is fantastic for consistency if you want the same filters active as you flip through various pages. But what if you want a summary dashboard like a landing page to always show the full unfiltered picture, no matter what users do elsewhere? Maybe this page acts as a reset or main overview, and you don't want any slicer selection interfering with it. If you've run into this, you know how frustrating it can be when every chart or metric on your summary page seems stuck showing filtered results, because of those slicers syncing across all pages. Luckily, Power BI has a built-in solution for precisely this situation. The key feature is called Edit Interactions, and we're going to use it to break the link between slicers and visuals just on the page you choose. Here, how you do it: first, navigate to the specific page that you want to keep unfiltered. For example, if your summary dashboard is page 1, head over to that. Now, click on any slicer or filter visual that's already sitting on your page. You'll see selection handles appear just so you know which slicer is active. Next, look up to the ribbon at the top. You'll see a tab called Format. Click on that and then find the option called Edit Interactions. This is where the magic happens. When you activate Edit Interactions, you'll notice small icons pop up over every chart, table, or visual on your page. These icons control how the slicer interacts with each visual individually. For each chart or table you want to stay unfiltered, look for the circle with a slash through it, the universal no symbol. Click that icon over the visual. By doing this, you're telling Power BI, don't let the slicer filter this visual. No worries if you have several visuals. It's totally normal to need to set this one by one. If you have multiple slicers, make sure to repeat this process for each one so none of them affect your chosen visuals on this page. And that's it. The result: your summary dashboard page now stands alone. Whatever filters or slicers are applied on other pages, the visuals here will always show the complete, unfiltered data. Meanwhile, slicers will still work just fine on your other report pages, so you get the best of both worlds: clarity on your summary page and interactivity everywhere else. This technique puts real control in your hands and helps make your Power BI reports more user-friendly and intuitive. If this trick helped you out, please hit the like button. It lets me know these tutorials are useful. If you have any questions or run into an issue, just drop a comment below. I'm happy to help. And if you want more Power BI tips and step-by-step guides like this, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.